This is how to generate access token in Databricks. Log into your Databricks, and in the upper right corner, you'll see your profile. Click it and go to settings. Then go to developer, and you can see access token, and just click manage, and we will generate a token by clicking generate new token. So name your token. So for instance, I'll name this as dev, and you can set the expiration. So for instance, it will be 90 days. You can also set this to 365 and just click generate. And be sure to copy this one because it will never appear again. Store it in a safe place and click done. So this is how to generate access token in Databricks.